Hello everyone. In this video, we'd like to share how we finished the work of the tanning full package in the JEEP Wrangler JK 2012, which belongs to the 2011 and 2017 generation. The car came to us with the faulty aftermarket 7-inch head unit, and also because it was faulty, so no sound, no steering wheel control, no reverse camera working, and even funnier, the front wiper screen was intermittently running by itself when it wanted to run. So it was something sort of, faulty components from that system before, and it made the car react very funny. Now we finished the job and we fit in the new dash around in the 10-inch and full package with wireless Carplay, USB Carplay, and in this case USB Android Auto. But you know that we can certainly supply the package with the wireless Android Auto as well, not a problem. And in this case, on the screen it is our Android Autos running, and it's just simple and easy to use. We also retain all the factory steering wheel control from here, so not a problem. And we also retaining the factory position of the USB, which is over here under the armrest console. And we also mount the reverse camera on the steering wheel, on the spare wheel, with a new bracket and design, so it stays firm and nice, and it is so much better for the car, because before the camera was hung by 3 different cable tight to hang the camera, and the camera was swinging at a bit of kind of angle like this when reversed, and that's definitely not good. So to talk about the camera, we actually can have a look. And now just have a look here. You can see that how the camera is mounted at the back end. We create the frame over here and we paint it black, so matching the back end, and it stay like that. So basically, you see, when I was walking out and disconnect my USB cable, one of the iPhone there quickly jump in and sneak the system into the wireless Apple CarPlay. Okay, that's good. Now we just want to see the reverse camera, and okay, we forgot to turn the ignition. Okay, now we put the reverse in and we quickly see the full HD anti-glare super night vision reverse camera comes on, and move the gear stick and it comes on, and move the gear stick and it comes on, and it comes back to whatever it was. And have a look here. So